Okay, so you ever see the Ringling Brothers, the circus?
Yeah.
Clown show? That's what it is.
Okay.
You have a bunch of fucking guys that are around because they weren't doing shit. They were hanging fucking John Senior's laundry, and they're, around 40 years, and then they make them in a fucking, in the back of a diner or something, and oh, you're a made guy now, and have these guys run around that never fucking been in a fist fight, never busted a grape, never threw a brick in a blackout, they never did nothing in their life, and this is what's left.
Right.
This is what's left.
So that it's literally over.
Dead
Right.
situation.
Do you think the government did a good job in wiping out the mob?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, they wiped them the fuck out. Oh my God, did they? They basically, like their task force are even smaller now. They used to have like so many agents on a family. I think they only have like 1-2 agents per family.
Right, there's
like
no
nothing
activity.
to watch.
Right.
The only family really that's still powerful is the Genovese, but they're non-violent. I always
Right.
tell people that. They're not a violent family.
And maybe if they keep it that way and just, hey, do your thing, but don't be pulling out pistols.
Right.
And